There comes a moment in every individual's life when the veil of ordinary perception begins to lift, revealing a deeper reality beneath the surface. This moment signifies the beginning of a profound awakening, a shift from living in the shadows of external conditions to realizing the inner power that shapes those very conditions. As you begin on this path, you will recognize the signs of your awakening by observing the subtle, yet powerful shifts in your awareness and experience. The first sign that you are awakening is a heightened sense of awareness of your thoughts and their impact. You will start to notice how your internal dialogue influences the world around you. Previously, you may have been unaware of how your thoughts shaped your experiences. Now, you become acutely conscious of the link between what you think and what manifests in your life. This awareness is a pivotal step towards understanding that you are not merely a passive observer of your life, but an active creator. Your thoughts and feelings are not just reflections of your environment but are, in fact, the blueprint from which your reality is constructed. Another clear indicator of awakening is the realization that your imagination holds the key to transforming your life. You begin to see that your inner world, your visions, dreams, and imaginings, has a profound influence on the outer world. This understanding empowers you to harness your imagination as a tool for creation. Instead of feeling helpless or at the mercy of external circumstances, you recognize that you have the power to shape your reality through focused and deliberate mental imagery. You start to use your imagination not just for fleeting daydreams but as a means to consciously design the life you wish to experience. As you deepen into this state of awareness, you will also notice a shift in your emotional responses. The typical reactions to challenges and setbacks begin to change. Where once there may have been frustration or despair, you now find a calm and centered approach. You understand that emotions are signals guiding you towards alignment or misalignment with your desires. This awareness helps you maintain a more balanced emotional state, regardless of external conditions. You learn to navigate through life with a sense of inner peace, knowing that your emotions are not just reactions but reflections of your inner beliefs and attitudes. An important aspect of this awakening process is the growing recognition of the power of belief. You will come to understand that your beliefs are not just abstract ideas but are the very fabric of your reality. As you observe the outcomes in your life, you will see how they align with your core beliefs, both conscious and unconscious. This insight allows you to reevaluate and reframe your beliefs to align more closely with your desired outcomes. You become more deliberate in choosing beliefs that support your goals and aspirations, recognizing that changing your beliefs can directly alter your experiences. You will also experience a deeper connection with your inner self. This connection manifests as an increased sense of inner guidance and intuition. You begin to trust your inner voice and feel more aligned with your true purpose. This sense of connection provides clarity and direction, helping you navigate through life's challenges with a renewed sense of confidence and purpose. The guidance you receive from within becomes a powerful tool in your journey towards achieving your desires and living a fulfilling life. As you continue on this path, you will notice that synchronicities and serendipitous events become more frequent. These are not random occurrences but manifestations of the alignment between your inner state and outer reality. You will see how the universe responds to your inner changes with corresponding external changes. Opportunities, people, and events begin to align with your desires, confirming that you are on the right path. These synchronicities serve as affirmations that your awakening is not just an internal experience but is also reflected in the world around you. The process of awakening is not always linear, it comes with its own set of challenges and growth opportunities. You may encounter moments of doubt or resistance as old patterns and beliefs are confronted. However, these moments are valuable parts of the journey, offering chances for further growth and refinement. Think of these challenges as opportunities to deepen your understanding and strengthen your resolve. Ultimately, the true essence of awakening lies in the realization that you are the creator of your reality. As you continue to explore and understand this profound truth, you will find yourself living in greater harmony with your desires and aspirations. The awakening process is a continuous journey of self-discovery and transformation, leading you to a more empowered and fulfilled existence. As you further immerse yourself in this transformative journey, you'll notice that your perception of reality begins to shift in profound ways. One significant change is the way you begin to interact with your external environment. As your awareness deepens, you will start to see opportunities where once there were obstacles. This shift in perception is a direct result of your inner transformation. You will find that situations which previously seemed challenging or insurmountable now appear more manageable, as your internal state of harmony and confidence alters how you engage with the world. In addition, you will experience a heightened sense of synchronicity in your daily life. Events that once seemed coincidental or random will now appear as purposeful and meaningful connections. This enhanced perception is a reflection of your growing alignment with your inner desires and goals. You will see that the universe is responding to your inner changes by bringing into your life the people, events, and circumstances that support your aspirations. This alignment provides a sense of reassurance and validation that you are moving in the right direction. Another notable change is the deepening of your relationships with others. As you become more attuned to your own inner world, you will find that your interactions with others become more authentic and fulfilling. You will attract individuals who resonate with your elevated state of being, and your relationships will reflect the harmony and positivity you cultivate within yourself. This enhanced connection with others not only enriches your personal life but also supports your overall growth and development. Your sense of purpose will also become more pronounced as you progress in your awakening. You will gain clarity about what truly matters to you and what you want to achieve in your life. This newfound clarity will guide your actions and decisions, allowing you to pursue goals with greater focus and determination. As you align more closely with your true purpose, you will experience a greater sense of fulfillment and satisfaction in your daily life. Additionally, the way you approach and handle challenges will evolve. Instead of viewing obstacles as setbacks, you will begin to see them as opportunities for growth and learning. Your perspective will shift from seeing difficulties as roadblocks to viewing them as valuable experiences that contribute to your personal development. This change in mindset will empower you to face challenges with resilience and optimism, knowing that each experience is a stepping stone towards your ultimate goals. Your creativity and problem-solving abilities will also see a boost as you continue on this path. With your enhanced awareness and inner alignment, you will find new and innovative ways to approach problems and achieve your objectives. Your creativity will flow more freely, and you will be able to think outside the box, coming up with solutions that were previously elusive. This creative energy will not only help you in achieving your personal goals but will also positively impact other areas of your life. As you continue to cultivate your awareness and alignment, you will notice an overall increase in your sense of well-being and contentment. The internal shifts you experience will be reflected in a more positive and satisfying external reality. You will find yourself enjoying a greater sense of peace, joy, and fulfillment as you navigate through life with a renewed perspective and purpose. The journey of awakening is an ongoing process, and each step you take brings you closer to realizing the full potential of your existence. As you continue to explore and understand the deeper aspects of your being, you will unlock new levels of insight and growth. Think of each moment of discovery and transformation as a valuable part of your journey, knowing that every insight and change contributes to the creation of the life you desire. In conclusion, as you navigate through this journey of awakening, keep in mind that every step you take towards understanding and mastering your inner world brings you closer to the life you wish to create. The signs of awakening: heightened awareness of your thoughts, the power of imagination, emotional balance, belief transformation, inner connection, and synchronicities, serve as guides on this remarkable journey. Think of this process with openness and curiosity, knowing that each moment of insight and growth brings you closer to realizing the true potential of your existence. If you find the ideas presented here resonant and inspiring, there are several ways you can engage further. Hit the like button to let us know that you enjoyed this content and found it valuable. Your feedback helps us create more of the content you love and find useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insightful videos like this one. By subscribing, you ensure that you stay updated with the latest content and don't miss out on future discussions that can further support your personal growth and understanding. Consider sharing this video with friends or family who might benefit from these insights. Your act of sharing not only helps others discover valuable information but also fosters discussions that can lead to meaningful exchanges and collective learning. Engage with the content by leaving your thoughts or experiences in the comments section. We value your input and look forward to hearing how these concepts have impacted your life or any questions you might have. Lastly, keep exploring and applying these principles in your daily routine. The more you practice and incorporate these ideas, the more profound the impact on your life will be. Each day is an opportunity to refine your understanding and manifest the life you desire. Thank you for being part of this exploration. Your support and engagement are crucial in creating a space where valuable insights and discussions thrive. We appreciate your involvement and look forward to bringing you more content that inspires and empowers.